Hello, it's Maritime Meg and her sidekick Greg. He's all excited. We're going on another adventure today. Today we're going to be going to a sunflower farm. Take a look at that. It's out in Salisbury, New Brunswick. So we'll bring you along with us for the adventure. But first, I know it's still August, but we're stopping at Starbucks to get our pumpkin spice fix because we are both big fans. Greg's frowning at me right now like I just added that, but he already said yesterday we were going to do this before. No. Yeah.
No, I got it yesterday.
No,
so
no, we
today.
No. We got it yesterday, but we have to get it today too. See you there. And we went to Starbucks and we got our pumpkin spice fix. So now we are on the way. We got our cold brew, pumpkin spice cold brews from Starbucks, and we are going to Fredericton Road?
Salisbury.
In Salisbury. To see the sunflowers. So come along with us. Look at that chicken! We're walking through the sunflowers. He just rolled his eyes at me. I still could tell by the side of his head. We gotta find a sunflower that we want to cut. Beautiful. We got a sunflower.
So how far down do I need to put these things? There it is?
Yeah, that's good.
That's the big girl.
And they gave us a little bag of water to take our sunflowers home. The corn maze.
5 stations.
We're in the corn maze. This is my first time actually in a corn maze, or at least I don't know if I was as a kid, but we're making our way through. This is the corn maze. We won. We're at the top of the corn maze.
No.
We didn't cheat at all to get up here. We're trying again, and we're trying to figure out the map this time because we kind of cheated last time and it took us out the exit, but we actually want to get to the middle where it says 2020, and we basically made it from here to here by cheating in like 10 minutes. Let's try this again and do it right. There's a fork in the road. I hope he made the right decision. We got lost last time.
Because you led the way.
That's true. He says I got us lost, but he took us to a dead end.
Ooh.
And he said it's because he wants to read the sign. He is lying. He got us lost at a dead end.
No, I saw the sign.
Sure.
I opened up my eyes and I saw the sign.
Excuses. And we're still walking. We're not really coming across any other people, but we're pretty sure that's because everyone else is a lot smarter than us.
Everyone's dead. I'm marking this.
And
That's the day of the reckoning.
And they're not going as deep in the maze as we are.
We're the only
because
ones alive. There's no food. I have to pee. Megan pooped in the corn behind us.
Megan did not. We made it to another section of the maze.
This must be 8.
We're hoping we're getting closer to the middle.
This must be an 8. This
Oh,
is 2008.
that's the white. We don't want to go back that way. You just took us through that little tiny loop. He says he's good at directions. I don't think that's it. But why am I following him is probably the question. He's just trying to trick me now to go in circles. We were so close to the middle where we want to be. Nice try. The footsteps stopped. And I don't trust him. And he took us on the green trail, which is the exit. And when we were so close, I can see you. So don't trust men with directions, no matter how much they brag. Now we have to backtrack again to the white path.
No. I was leading us to the exit like a real man would.
We did not come this far to give up. It's been a lot of time in this maze. I swear he did this on purpose because he brought us right back to the start. Right back. We were so far. I'm pretty sure we spent over an hour in that maze and he just brought us back to the start.
No, I think
I know to never trust him with directions again.
Listen, I got us to safety, so you do trust me. We should have let you lead the way, then we got more
I
lost.
wanted to go further.
You wanted to get more lost. We should have listened to the woman.
So we're finally coming towards the exit of the maze. We did it, kind of. We spent a very long time in the maze at least, so we could feel good about that. We definitely didn't cheat the second time around. Greg's just bad at directions. And here we are. We're at the exit. Well, it felt like hours in the maze, but it was actually like 57 minutes. So we're all done our visit to the Green Pig Country Market. It's in Salisbury on 2927 Fredericton Road in New Brunswick. It was a great way to spend the day together. It only cost $12 to go in per person, but we got to take these sunflowers home that we picked ourselves. We spent, as you saw, the first portion of our day in the sunflower farm itself, and then we moved over to the corn maze, which was a lot of fun and a great way to spend a few hours. So we highly recommend. It was some great pictures and a lot of fun, and Greg got us lost in the maze. He still says he didn't, but he totally did. Anyway, thanks for coming.